Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML course. This is the section about tables. And what we're going to do in this video is talk about thead, tbody, and tfoot. That is the three elements that we can use to break our table up into structural sections. And those structural sections, it'll be easier to target them with CSS rules and JavaScript and that sort of thing when you get into JavaScript and CSS. But also just giving your browser an idea of the structure of your page is always a good idea. The more information you can give it, the better it can understand what you're doing. So what we're going to do is this section at the top with headings. We're going to call that the thead. Close thead. Let's tab that in. Okay. The section with the actual data in it, we're going to call tbody. And close tbody. Close tbody. We'll tab this in. And notice how well this parallels. We have our header inside of the HTML body. We have our header and our main, right? So in here we've got thead and tbody and tfoot. We'll close tfoot, tab that in, and you know what, let's go ahead and write down what those mean. I'm going to make 3 copies of this. And we will say the thead, tbody, tfoot. The thead element marks off the header. Header section of the table. I'll just recycle that. Body, footer. Okay, now let's save it. Let's go see what it looks like. Okay, that looks pretty good. And our link works. So that's happy. Okay, oh, and visually, it didn't make a difference, right? When we added the thead and the tbody and the tfoot tags, it didn't make a visual difference. It made a structural difference. The browser knows more about this table now. And it will make a difference when you start trying to style it or hit it with JavaScript, that sort of thing. We need to make sure everything is still valid. So we'll go copy everything, Control-A, Control-C, and go to our validator. And I like to do direct input, so I'm pasting it, checking it, looking for green. Yes, it's green. All right, document checking completed, no errors. Okay, so that's great. So we've learned about the table element, tr, td, and th, call span attribute, and the thead, tbody, and tfoot. So we've got a really good grasp on tables now, and we've got it all nicely, succinctly in this little section here. Alrighty, thank you.